Welcome to CAS 103, Introduction to Windows, Columbia Gorge Community College, the Dalles, Oregon, Linda Hughitt instructor. This video is to help you get logged into Moodle. If you already know how to log into Moodle, skip this video and move right on into the class by logging in. If this is your first time into Moodle and you've not used it, stick around. We're going to work on getting you logged in. You use the www.cgcc.edu page. When you get into this main front page, and these pictures do change, so don't let that surprise you, you will see Moodle Login My CGCC. That's where you want to go. When you get here, you will use your regular login that you use to be able to register for classes, financial aid, grades, transcripts. Since you're already in the class, you probably know how to do this. If you don't know how to get logged in, maybe you registered through a counselor or something different than the online registration, the student services can help you with this login information. If you're having trouble with Moodle itself, that's not a student services question. That is actually best handled by Ron Watrous. He's based in the Columbia Gorge Library on the Dalles campus. He is our Moodle geek and guru. He is wonderful. He helps students with all sorts of technology issues, as well as being the resident person to help with any sort of Moodle problem. So if you're having any sort of problem after you get your username and password, then it would be Ron Watrous in the library. So now you've put your username and password in, you've logged in, you get to your list of classes, and you go ahead and you arrive at your CAS 103. Now you may have a bunch of stuff down the side, and you can actually use this little bar to close a lot of those, to get rid of a lot of that and get back to full screen. That will put a lot of your toolbars and tasks over here on the side. However, for most of the class, you'll just be using the main part of the screen anyway. So now that you're into class, you're ready to go ahead and continue on to the next video.